What is the purpose of life? The purpose of life is to be happy. Happiness derived from material things is temporary. We should look for inner happiness by being honest and truthful. In order to lead a meaningful life, you need to cherish others, pay attention to human values, and try to cultivate inner peace. 人生的目的是什么？人生的目的就是获得幸福，然而物质带来的幸福是短暂的。我们应该通过诚实和真诚来寻找内在的幸福。要过上有意义的生活，我们必须珍惜他人，重视人类的价值观，并努力培养内心的平和。